welcome to the channel. Today's a pretty special day for me. I am in a rental car on my way to pick up my brand new 2024 Chevy Z06. I've been waiting for this day for a lot of years. It's really exciting. This channel we're going to be doing reviews of the Z06. We're going to be doing automotive history, hopefully some other car reviews, updates on my impressions of the Z06, taking her to the track, what I like, don't like about it, hopefully some performance modifications, cosmetic modifications, things of that nature. So hopefully join me on this journey, and thanks for watching. So I just picked up the Z06 and I'm on my way home. Of course it's raining, so I can't say that the car has never seen rain now. Thankfully these things don't explode when they're in the rain. I actually saw Chiron when I was visiting London that was rained on, so if Chiron can make it in the rain, I suppose my Z06 can too. Initial impressions, I love this car. It looks amazing. The sound starting it up a track is great, and it's going to be really hard to keep it below 4,000 RPMs for 500 miles. Later on, I'll do a full review of all the options I got in the vehicle. I'll do a full overview of exterior to interior for anyone who's interested in that and who hasn't seen the Z06 up close, and all the options and all of the quirks and features. You know, shout out to Doug. Yeah, so it's going to be an adventure. I'm really looking forward to this vehicle, and I'll probably check in a little bit on my way home. Have about 300 miles, so we'll see how that goes. And what's nice is most of my break-in will be done on the way home. So super exciting, and thanks for joining me on this journey. Continuing on my journey home, I just went through a pretty bad rainstorm. Could barely even see the front of the car, let alone the lane paintings. I'm very glad that there's a weather setting on the car, so you can turn it to weather and it softens up the suspension, it dials down the throttle response. I think it turns up the PTM, so the traction control, and just makes it a little bit more stable. So I got to try that out. Granted, I can't go past 4,000 RPMs and the torque's limited for the break-in, but it was still nice to be able to check out that option. And got through the first rain in the car, so so that's a good thing. What's also nice is my Z06 does not have the Cup 2Rs. I have just the Pilot Sports 4S on there, so definitely nice to have that in the rain. I was already tramlining and moving around a little bit with these tires on, so I think it would have been a little hairy in the Cup 2Rs. Kudos to anyone who drives a Z07 in the rain. Yeah, loving the car so far. Just kind of sucks I can't, full send. It's definitely a tease. Going to be some log foreplay and some car tantric, LT6 tantric going on. So looking forward to it. All right, we made it home from picking up the Z06. Don't mind the dirty garage. Yeah, exciting day. Can't wait to break her in. Can't wait to do more reviews on it. Can't wait to explore the capabilities of it at the track. And it's going to be great. I'm looking forward to it. So, as I said, check out my channel. We're going to be reviewing the Z06, going over it. Automotive news, automotive history, hopefully some other car reviews, and thanks for joining me for the ride. See y'all next time.